The recently concluded 45-day Mahakumbh Mela 2025 in Prayagraj has led a significant liquidity deficit in the Indian banking system, according to the State Bank of India (SBI) Economic Research Report. The excessive cash withdrawals during the massive religious gatherings have resulted in an outflow of funds, with a staggering Rs 1.6 trillion needed to restore liquidity balance. The report highlights concerns that much of this cash may not return as deposits, as most withdrawals were made by retail depositors, while fresh deposits have been predominantly from non-retail participants. SBI also wanted that the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) will need to take additional measures, including a potential cut in the cash reserve ratio, to ease the prevailing liquidity pressure in the banking sector. The RBI has been actively addressing the liquidity crunch through various interventions, including USD INR buy-sell swaps, open market operations, and variable repo rate auctions. In January, the central bank executed a $10 billion swap to stabilize the market, helping corporates manage their asset-liability mismatches. According to SBI, if government securities ownership remain unchanged in FY26, the open market operations gap would still be around Rs 1.7 trillion, showing continued liquidity support. The report suggests that the RBI could reconsider the role of cash reserve ratio, using it more as a counter-cyclical liquidity buffer than a primary liquidity management tool. India's banking system is experiencing its worst liquidity crunch in over a decade. The liquidity surplus of Rs 1.35 lakh crore in November turned into a Rs 2.07 lakh crore deficit by January. As banks struggle to meet short-term obligations, the economic impact of this deficit remains a key concern.